Want to play your vinyl records on your Sonos speakers? There are two main ways to connect your turntable to Sonos, using a line-in connection or Bluetooth pairing. First, ensure your Sonos speaker supports either line-in connections or Bluetooth pairing. Line-in compatible models include the Era 100, Era 300, 5, amp, and port. Bluetooth-capable models include Era 100, Era 300, Move, and Roam. You'll need to check if your turntable has a built-in phono preamp. Turntables output very low signals that must be amplified before connecting to Sonos. If your turntable doesn't have a built-in preamp, you'll need to purchase an external one. For line-in connections, use RCA cables to connect your turntable or preamp to the Sonos device. Note that Era 100 and Era 300 require a special Sonos line-in adapter, while the 5 uses an RCA-Y audio cable and the amp and port use standard RCA cables. For Bluetooth connections, the process is simpler. Put your Sonos speaker into pairing mode by pressing and holding the Bluetooth button, then put your turntable in pairing mode. The devices will connect wirelessly. Many newer turntables now include Bluetooth connectivity for this wireless streaming capability. To summarize, check your Sonos speaker compatibility, ensure you have a phono preamp, then choose either a line-in connection with the appropriate cables or wireless Bluetooth pairing. Both methods will allow you to enjoy your vinyl collection through your Sonos speakers. Once your turntable is connected, the next step is configuring the Sonos app. Open the Sonos app and navigate to the home screen. Look for your sources on the home screen. This is where you'll find the line-in option for your connected turntable. When you find line-in, select the appropriate source. The app will show your connected turntable as an available input source. You can rename your source to something more descriptive like turntable or vinyl player. This makes it easier to identify in your source list. The key benefit of connecting your turntable to Sonos is multi-room playback. Your vinyl records can now play throughout your entire home on multiple Sonos speakers. The system converts your analog vinyl signal into a digital format that can be streamed wirelessly to any Sonos speaker in your network. Use the Sonos app to group multiple speakers together. This allows you to play your vinyl simultaneously in different rooms, or create zones for different listening experiences. You can create different room groups, adjust individual volume levels, and control playback from anywhere in your home using the app. For the best experience, consider turntables with native Sonos integration like the Victrola Stream Carbon. These offer simplified wireless streaming without the need for physical connections. With your turntable properly configured in the Sonos app, you can now enjoy the full vinyl experience with the convenience of modern wireless audio throughout your home.